Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up at frenchiestamps.com in the US. Today it's tips about how to use the Day to Remember stamp set. If you see the calendar, it's all this big long thing. So how to get that it's going to work. See, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4. So let me share some tips how this is going to work. See, it's a big stamp set. So first thing, and I should have washed it. I did a few there, and here we go. First thing you want to do is make a mask or use post-it notes. I'm going to share both ways. I'm going to share how to make a mask that you can use it over and over. You don't have to use post-it note, or you don't have to do a mask every time, because this is with the window sheet, so you can reuse it. What you need, it's a piece of window sheet. I will have the link below to purchase the window sheet and also the stamp set. So it is 4 3/4 long and 3 1/4. Now you're going to put the window sheet at 1 inch. Start cutting from the bottom. Let me move you down a bit. Start cutting from the bottom all the way to 1 inch. And how do you know when you're 1 inch? You see the 1 inch there, and then the line in the center here. Now we need to do that on the other side. So we're going to flip it, because we're going to go from the bottom also. And then you're going to cut that again to 1 inch. Even if you go off a little bit, it's okay. Now you're going to take the piece that are cut, going to go at the bottom, and the piece that it's not cut here, go at the top, and again at 1 inch. Now you're going to start cutting at your 1 inch mark, and you're going to go all the way to 3 3/4. And you're going to kind of feel it when you hit there. If you're not just right, you can use your scissors. So this is going to be your mask at all time to use. Okay, let me share how to use this. So the month of June start on this year, it starts on a Thursday. So first, let's stamp the month of June. My kids' birthdays are June and July, so I'm going to share both of them, okay? So June happened that it's just 30 days, and I wanted to show you one with less than 31 days, right? We're going to go at the top, and I'm going to stamp my June. By the way, a perfect match for this, it is 3 inch by 2.5. 3 by 2.5, okay? Now for the days of the week, you get the week that start on a Sunday, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or you get the week that start on a Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, whatever work for you. I like my week to start on a Sunday, so you get the other one here. So I'm going to take my Sunday to Monday, whatever, right below my June here, and we're going to smack that right there. Voila. It's a very friendly stamp set to align because it's photopolymer. Now we got this. Like I said, June start on a Thursday. So here is Thursday. That's the first. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, it go to the 3rd. Right? No, it start on a Tuesday. I'm sorry, Tuesday. So it go to the 5th, Tuesday. I was wrong the other one. I looked at the wrong thing. So Tuesday, it start on the 1st. You're going to put this right there on the 1st. So that is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah. Okay, we're going to start that on the 1st. And I go to the 5th. Let me make sure I get, okay, the 1st to the 5th. Here we go. You have to look twice. So the 1st, it's the end. So that's the 5th and the 1st. The rest going to get covered. Okay, it starts on Thursday right there, and this is Saturday. So you align on a Saturday or on a Sunday. So I align my last one, the Saturday, that's the 5th. You have to look twice. Here we go. Now if you look, I got the 5th over there, so we're good. the only thing, make sure that is covered. We know it's not 31 days. So that one, I use a post-it note because it's just a little one. So I just use a post-it note for the 31. Or you can use a tape, a little piece of tape. Now we're going to ink this. Oops, make sure I don't have. Let's ink this. Now you're going to remove this. Remove this. See, my 31, it's clear. The rest, it's clear. Now it starts on a Thursday. So I'm going to align that. Tuesday. I almost screwed up again. On a Tuesday. And we're going to, let me put this straight here. And voila. And stamp. And you got it. See? Start on a Tuesday. And it's all straight. Now for my mat for this, I would put a 3 1/4 by 2 3/4. Now let's say my son, it's on the 24th, his birthday. I could take like a star, or I can take a circle, a flower, whatever. I'm going to take a star, and I'm going to take that in a daffodil delight, because daffodil and Night of Navy work wonderful. And I'm going to put that right at the top. See how personalized that is? Okay, now let me share with you the July. So you can do some in a row if you want. So we're going to start with the July. So let me pull the July. Right here, my finger was right on it. And we're going to do again July, right at the top. And then in between each month, though, you're going to have to wash your stamp, because you know it don't start, well, a few months start at the same place, but it's rare, right? Okay, make sure it's clean. That looks pretty good. Now, you can wash your, this year you can wash that with a baby wipe or with your chamois also, but you don't have to do it in between if you use the same color. But I wanted to show you how simple it is to wash, okay? Okay, now I would be ready to switch color. I'm going to use the same color though. We're going to do the days of the month, the days of the week first. Going to put that right here. Voila. That's the air. It's nothing. Good. So my July, okay, July start on the 1st and it's the 3rd. So we have to stop at the 3rd. The Saturday, the first Saturday, it's the 3rd. I'm going to take this and stop at the 3rd. And then you see, it's the perfect. Now we need the 31. You're just going to ink this, right? July, it's Saturday the 3rd. So it is the 3rd there. The first Saturday there. We're going to ink this, remove this. Now we're going to bring our July. And it start on the Thursday. And then finish on. See, it worked perfect. Voila. How cool is that? Okay, let's do another one. Here, this June was wrong for this year. So let's say that we're doing February 28 days, okay? So let's do the 28 days, and I think then you're going to have the jig of it. Just make sure that you wash everything. So let's say our February start on, well, I rather look at the Saturday, the first Saturday of the month. Let's say the first Saturday of the month, it's the 6th. So the 6th, it's right here. I'm going to go right there, the 6th. Now, I don't need, we could use 29, but we're going to say it's not a leap year. The 28, so just pull it up. The 28, it's there. I don't need any of that. 29, 30, 31, I don't need those one. So February, it's the only one that you have to take more than just one day, right? I could put that there. Another way, like I said, you can use tape. Let me reach a piece of tape. Some people are going to like tape better because you can take this, put your piece of tape right here. It stay better. Now we're going to, oops, first let's do our month. So I won't do February. I'm going to just go ahead here and do my July. Oops, that's sideways. Let's do the back of this. Let's say July, it's February there. We're going to do the days of the week. Right there. Now we're going to ink our month. So the way that I did, I wanted to show with Post-it note. I'm going to share one quick with Post-it note after. And then the 6 go below the Saturday. And then we're going to smack that right here. Et voila. See? No, nothing after. Now, how would you do that with Post-it note? You would do the same than I did with the tape. So let me just wash that. And then you would take your Post-it note and I'm going to put that there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put that there. And then you're going to ink. And again, if you have to cover the 31st, you're going to cover it. Let's say you don't have to. Remove. And then you're ready to stamp. Et voila. That is it, my friends. So again, the best tip I think that I share, it's this window sheet here to do a mask. It's 4 3/4 by 3 1/4. Cut 1 inch there, 1 inch, and there from here 1 inch. And then you get your piece at all time. Then to put it away, whoops, you can just wipe it and keep it in your case. So then you got, it's not washed very good there. I will wash it back. You can keep it in your case. And if you say, well, it don't wash good, it wash good if you take the time to wipe it good, right? Here we go. Now it's washed. Here we go, my friend. I got some on my fingers there. But you get every month, you get, don't forget, let's say you want to send a little reminder, a day to remember, happy birthday, it's your day. You get the balloon, the circle. So like for my daughter, I'm going to circle the July with the 31 days. Hers, it's the 30th. Oops, where's my July? Oh, my July, it's here, right here. So I'm going to circle that. The circle there, if you put 2 together, let me show that. You can do like for wedding. So you could take this here and let me show you. Let's say it's a wedding. So that one is good. This one it's not good. So let's say I'm going to take a smoky slate. You could use this and put a circle there and then a circle there. See, you get your little wedding ring there. So whatever, you can cover pretty much every occasion with that. I'm going to finish this card here. You can do calendar also, like those easel calendar. And what I would do for every month, it's in between on the top there, I would use brads to hold my page together, then they can just tear it up. So that is it, my tip for the day to remember stamp set. Have a lovely day, my friend. Bye bye for now.